It's a really nice car, ladies. Very nice car.
Musclecars Universe.
And here we are, guys, AmericaRna 2023. Today is Thursday. We are here at Waitara, New Zealand, for the festival of the year. It's a little bit windy right now, but you can't complain. So the convoy is arriving now. They will stay here a couple of hours, maybe 3, and then they will depart for Inglewood for the rock and roll street party. What a beautiful Camaro, wow. And here's a public car park just beside the main road. All the cars are arriving now. What a beautiful sight. A Corvair, Mustang, Firebird. Look at that. What a great festival, guys. Feeling blessed to be here with all these beauties. Stunning cars, eh? Like this 383 Roadrunner and this beautiful 67 GTO in bright white. Same car as last edition. Cheers, man. Wow, 32 cents. Nice plate. 1958 C1 Corvette. You don't see them anymore. Beautiful Impala coming from Auckland. Wow, the colors, guys, look at the colors, so bright, so different, magnificent. 68 actually Camaro SS, same as the one from the last edition. Beautiful color, one of my favorite cars out there with that color. Fairlane 500, I thought would have been a Torino, but new school Camaro.
Oh, thank you. Thanks very much.
Beautiful Bel Air with American racing wheels. More and more cars coming through, as you can see. Seems like there's a never-ending streak of stunning American classic cars and muscle cars. Trucks also, hot rods, you name it. We have everything here. Patina, lowriders. For the next 3 days, this is gonna be my home. And yours too, if you're on this channel. One of my favorite trucks from last edition, Tomata. Amazing Chevy. Hey man, mid 1950s I believe. Brand new rear end, rear bed. Bit of a resto mod. Hey?
It's nice, eh?
Yeah, it's nice. Nice truck, man. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, 455 big block. Big engine. Man, look at this color. Wow. Look at this thing. And they go all the way down there and through that road. Stunning fastback. Hey. Everyone's so happy, everyone's so easy going because this is a great show, a great event celebrating the American automotive history and culture. We've got all the Cobra guys showing up. Curious top roof on that car, same as this one. Very unique, I would say. I've never seen anything like it. And the Chevelle from Canterbury. Hey guys, sounds pretty mean. Big block. But let's get back on the main road now, shall we? Here we are, guys, finally. I can show you a bit more of these beautiful cars. 68 big block Camaro. Looks like lowered maybe on airbags. Stunning car. Then we've got a few more down here. And then is square body. It's Pontiac. Beautiful. Bel Air 57. Looks like a dual ram air. Wow. Ford truck, Cobra. This is actually the one that I spotted, the Kaikoura hop. Wow. Still with the same bike at the back. And then 1932 Ford Model A, very tidy 33. Here, a couple of Corvettes in red, with more cars down here. Another red Corvette as well. Look at that! Wow, so many cars, literally. I can't possibly show you them all, guys. They are due to depart in an hour, so I'll do my best. A very interesting one here, the Chrysler Prowler. Basically a revisitation of a old school hot rod in modern key. Monterey 71 Challenger RT, 56 Bel Air, Laguna Seca edition, Mustang Boss. That's a lot of stuff in here, guys. Look at that.
Get the best of both worlds.
There is everything and anything in here. Seriously. A place like this could drive anyone crazy. Drive. Sorry for the pun. 56 210. Look at these colors, man. Wow. Lots of wind today, sorry guys. I can't control the elements, but I can bring you cars. That's usually what I do. Actually what I do best. Brand new Camaro. Super sleek hot rod here with the hardtop. Very nice. Look at the color on this thing. Wow. It's a beautiful truck that we saw from last year, last edition. Stunning. Staggered paint job. The works. It's a beautiful hot rod here too. Then we'll get to the low riders. Look at this thing, man. Would you do a lowrider kit in Bel Air, guys? Look at this thing, wow. That's brilliant. With the side exhaust as well. And here we have pretty much the car version of the Joker. The car that the Joker will probably drive. Look at this thing. Unbelievable. That's crazy. A few more classics down here. Some new schools as well. 351 Mustang. More Mustang here. 56 Bel Air. All over the place, the Bel Airs. Look at these colors, man. Wow. Beautiful cars. Just want to show you guys more cars down here on the main road. This beautiful Pontiac Catalina steals the show. This thing steals the show. Look at that. With all this pearl glittering, bright orange, amazing paint job. And obviously a two-door 57 Bel Air, 73 TA Challenger. More stuff here. Oh man, this is crazy. So many cars. '57 again. Cougar. Beautiful blacked out engine bay on mats. '67 Camaro here. Good friend of mine, Matt. It's amazing. Let me show you that Mercury Cougar, ramjet, bonnet, everything. There's a manual, maybe. New C8 Corvette here. What a car. They've made a masterpiece with this car. 7 years anniversary. Man, Ferrari just lost the game. Stunning hot rod. Look at the Offenhauser heads. Wow. That's the Chevy GT500 that was revving just now when entering the show, followed by this amazing burgundy 392 Scat Pack Challenger. I gotta say, they made this car pretty good, man. It looks great. Wow. Look at these colors again. Another SRT8 here, and this 69 and this 69 fastback with the rear louver. Look at this. Beautiful. Let's continue here with this Mustang, Challenger, Camaro. Lots of new schools and a very prominent and special Continental, Lincoln Continental. Wow. Probably my favorite car of the show. 1968 Barracuda, equipping a 416 stroker. This is the same car that I spotted at the previous events here at AmericaRna. Gotta love that fastback look on the Barracuda, very iconic. Talking about iconic, we got a Camaro here and a fastback 1965 Mustang. Crazy, eh? In the span of 3 years we had the 65, the 67 and the 68. All three amazing cars. One of the cool Mustangs here. A few Mustangs. But the special cherry on the cake, literally. The cherry is this really cool 1969, sorry, Mustang Grande. Wow. They say notchbacks are not cool. I respectfully disagree. This is really nice. Tastefully executed with this paint job. But then it fades out compared to this 427 Resto mod just beside it. Aluminium radiator, individual throttle bodies, EFI, and 73 Cuda with the sport seats, everything, RPM gauge. And the Cobra gang, just now they came in, very loud, very cool. That's a lot of chrome. That really is a lot of chrome. Here she comes. 5-speed manual as well. With the Ford plate. It's there. And this one here I believe is supercharged or something. Yeah. Possibly pro-charged. Maybe. Look at the color on this Chevelle. 1972. I don't know if you can see the color on this car, but it's mesmerizing. That voice that you hear is Kit. That's crazy.
My olfactory detector will detect any poisonous, toxic, or dangerous gases and is sensitive to 1 part per 100 million.
Night Rider.
Even on water I can function normally by virtue of my aquatic synthesizer.
Proper movie car, eh? Wow.
For the ultimate in defense systems, my engineers have provided me with a highly sophisticated and elaborate electromagnetic generator.
That's crazy. Amazing colors down here, and obviously the king of the show, 1970 Superbird. What an amazing car. Jesus, look at this wing. And this is actually an original one. Possibly matching numbers too. So yeah, this was here at the first AmericaRna I came. This is such a great memory to preserve for me.
Well, you'll see how it's different. Look how it's hooked on. Yeah, just for the different fronts.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
I had one a while ago and I never had that panel in, and yeah, it's just totally different. You just don't want them. No.
Yeah. So this Plymouth Barracuda is actually a 440 six-pack, I believe, and it's very unique with the bonnet like that. And this was one of the first cars I've seen long ago. We're talking 5 years ago, before even starting Musclecars universe, and I was hit by it just by the way it looks and it sounds. It's amazing, man. And a patina Ford F100. Some more old schools and new schools. More new schools. What would you guys get? The Corvette, the Camaro, or the brand new Shelby? Nice. This is a GT350, I believe, with the RTR body kit, maybe? It looks like an RTR. Very wide, lowered Firebird 1968 400. Oh my god. Oh yeah, this is it. The GT350 that I spotted at the beach shop 2 years ago. I could never forget this car, especially the color, my favorite color. Highlands green, deep forest green. Look at this thing, man. Built for speed, you can see that. Musclecars, classics, trucks, lowriders, new schools. This is a GT500 KR as well, so that's a very rare special edition. This is the third 68 Barracuda that I see today. I gotta tell you guys, I've never seen so many in the, like, all together in the same spot. Galaxy, Mustang, Bel Air 1958, and this stunning plum crazy 1970 Challenger. Probably my favorite car ever, especially in this color. Look at this thing. Wow. So yeah, it's almost 3 p.m. now. Let's go all the way down there at the start of the convoy to catch them all rolling out. Let's go. What a place, guys. What a place. 235. Look at that. Wow. Be here to hear them, to see them all together like this. Priceless. Just priceless. TRX. Wow, that's a big truck. A really big truck. Fast as well. Beautiful. Look at that color, man. Wow. This is absolutely mind-blowing, guys. It's a really nice car, ladies. Very nice car. Hey, buddy. Get your on it. Hey, hey there. Beautiful. Loud soup. That's a big car. Look at this thing. Oh. That's cool. Wow. Hey, buddy. It's only been a couple of hours, but I'm already exhausted, but at the same time I'm so happy. So happy to be here. here to being able to bring you everything that you're seeing before your eyes. This is beyond, hey man, this is beyond what you can imagine, you know, especially in 2023, considering how old some of these cars are. Now here presented in these beautiful conditions, mesmerizing colors. AmericaRna 2023 is actually my favorite show of the year. Hey man, yeah, that's good, eh? And that's all for today, guys. At least from Waitara, the first part of the Thursday day program here at AmericaRna 2023. Next to come up is Inglewood Street Rock Party. Stay tuned for more AmericaRna 2023 content coming through. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already. This is Andy from Musclecars Universe reporting live from AmericaRna 2023, the biggest show in the Southern Hemisphere. I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Bye bye.